Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Wicked cool car, guys. It has a 406 cubic inch, 500 horsepower roller engine in it with a Muncie 4-speed, four-wheel disc brakes, tubular front suspension, and a killer car, man. Beautiful paint on this car. It's some of that traffic clear. It's Plum Mist metallic. It's got black custom interior in it. Pretty car, man. It's got 17 and 18 inch Coys wheels. Pretty paint. It's got Cowl hood. They said the car's got about 2,000 miles on this restoration. It only shows like 5 or 6 miles on the odometer. They just put the new Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. Good looking car. It's actually, there's no radio in the car, so they just got the plug there for the radio. Crack there in your paint. Seen a couple little things in the little blemishes in the paint, but pretty doggone nice car, guys. Runs out strong, drives good. Got a great sound to it. Just missed a little dust there. That's really not their fault. It's been kind of sitting out here waiting for me to come shoot the pictures in the video, and it's hard to get off the phone today. Good looking car. Chrome and stainless, really nice on it. Cool color. If I remember right, there's a little bottle of touch-up in the glove box too. Nice and flat down the side, sits good. Just a little chip there in the paint. Pretty car though. Car's originally out of Arizona. It's a good solid straight body. Again, four-wheel disc brakes. I know they got a vacuum canister on it too, so it's got full power to the brakes at all times. Again, 17 and 18 inch Coys. You can see the paint slick as can be. Again, this is a 406 cubic inch, 500 horsepower roller engine. It's got a Phytech, a fuel injection unit in it, Edelbrock intake. It's got GM double hump heads on it. You can see it's got all the billet pulleys on it. Doug ceramic headers. Really cool set of Chevrolet valve covers and air cleaner. Again, does have power steering. Power four-wheel disc brakes, and there's your vacuum canister for the brakes. MSD Digital 6AL box on it, Pro Billet distributor, and it is tubular, upper and lower control arms. It's got coil-over front shocks on it, aluminum radiator. It's got electric fans. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Good looking car. Same thing. Pretty color. Dual chrome mirrors, new door handles, new door rubbers in it. It's got Pro Car bucket seats in it. You see new carpet, new sill plates. Those are adjustable buckets. Billet steering wheel. It's got a Hurst shifter. There's your, it's got electric fuel pump, and also that's your switch for the vacuum. Again, it's got a VHS gauge cluster in it, no, radio delete. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It does have frame ties. Oh, you notice a little touch-up mark again there. It is a 10-bolt 342 Posi rear end. He did say they put a trunk pan in it. It's all spackle coated like it should be. For safety, put the battery in the rear. And it runs, guys. This thing scoots. Car's clean underneath. He's got brand new fuel tank, if I remember right. Yeah, brand new fuel tank. I got some pictures of the bottom of it for you. And like I say, a fun car to drive. Again, these are all adjustable buckets. Hurst shifter. Go ahead and fire it up, Jordan. That's a neat little car right there, guys. See, the gauges are all functional, showing 6 miles. Like I say, guys, that's a brand new gauge cluster. They said it's actually got about 2,000 miles on it. On the restoration. Nasty sounding cam. Blower motor. Again, no radio in it. Don't know if the blower motor's working, guys. I know those headlights work. I don't know. They're not coming on. I'll let Steve check it. Yeah, turn signals are all working. Your headlights aren't coming on. Yeah, I know those headlights work. It's probably connection in the switch. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.